AMD Ryzen 8500G. Review Best Budget. APU for everyday gaming and productivity? If you want to build an affordable PC without buying a dedicated graphics card, the AMD Ryzen 5 8500G is an interesting option. But can its built-in graphics actually handle everyday gaming? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Ryzen 5 8500GB is a 6-core, 12-thread processor for AMD's AM5 platform. It has a boost clock of up to 5.0 GHz, a 65-watt default TDP, and combines Zen 4 and Zen 4C cores. Its biggest selling point is the integrated Radeon 740M graphics. Because you don't need a separate graphics card to get a display output, the 8500G can be useful for affordable PC builds, compact systems, and casual gaming. For everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, streaming, and multitasking, 6 cores and 12 threads provide plenty of capability for a typical productivity system. And because it uses the AM5 platform, you have the option to upgrade the CPU or add a dedicated graphics card later. However, the Radeon 740M has clear limits. It is an entry-level integrated GPU and is better suited to lighter games and lower settings than demanding modern AAA titles. Gaming performance also depends heavily on your RAM configuration and the specific game. Another consideration is value. If you already plan to buy a dedicated graphics card, a standard Ryzen processor without such a strong focus on integrated graphics may be a better choice depending on current prices. So, who should buy the 8500G? It makes the most sense for budget builders, students, small PCs, and casual gamers who want a usable system without immediately purchasing a graphics card. But if gaming performance is your main priority, pairing a stronger CPU with a dedicated GPU will be the better route. I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you'd choose the Ryzen 5 8500G for your next PC build.